Welcome to Money Markets Trading Academy. So it's been a long awaited video I wanted to upload because I got lots of messages that Omar, how to read natural gas financial news. Because lots of time when I say that report is bullish, you guys say why the report is bullish. The numbers looks more, but you say still the report is bullish. Or sometime when I say the report is bearish, you say why the report is bearish, because the number doesn't look bearish. I know it's quite confusing because when you see the numbers, sometimes they look deceiving for beginners. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple formula, a very nice and easy formula that once you see that, I'm sure that next time you won't read it incorrectly. So in this video, I'm going to make everything clear for you so that next time when the report release, you will read it as a pro. So let's go on the screens and show you how the previous reports look confusing.
Right, let me give you a very nice and easy formula of how to read the natural gas news, financial news, without any confusion. A very easy formula, and we have this little natural gas cylinder here. That's going to teach us all how to calculate that. Now, so first let's clear the concept of less and more, increasing or decreasing. Now, if I ask you, if we are going up from -5 to 5, are we increasing or are we decreasing? Of course, if we are going from -5 upwards, so every other number, if we are going up, is increasing from -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and then we are in plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every other number increases when we are going from down to 5. So that's clear. And let me do it one more time. So if we are going from -5 to 5, are the number increasing or are the number decreasing? I hope you said the numbers are increasing and the numbers are positive, right? -5, -4 is positive from -5, -3 is positive from -4, -2 is positive from -3, and then -1 is positive, then -2, and then we have in plus, every other number is increasing, so we are positive and going upwards. So that's a very clear concept of the numbers are increasing. Now let's do the opposite. If you're going down from 5 to -5, how do we look the numbers? Are the numbers increasing or are the numbers decreasing? Very easy, of course. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then we are in negative, means we are constantly decreasing. -2 is less than -1, -3 is less than -2, -4 is less than -3, and -5 is less than -4. And if we have -6, that will be less than -5, right? Very easy. So if we are going from 5 to -5, the numbers are less than the number above. If we are going from -5 to 5, then the numbers are increasing and more than the number below. So this is the very easy concept to see if the numbers are more or less. Now let's go to the financial charts of natural gas. Now I remember when this report was released, -37, the forecast was -42. When this number was released, I said the report came bearish. I got lots of messages. Omar, why you said the report is bearish, whereas the number looks better than 42? So here comes our formula. So we have a forecast of 42 and the actual number came as 37. So let's consider this number. Let's say we have number 42 right here. See? And the forecast came as 37. Let me double check. 42 and 37. Now, if you remember the formula, if we are going from -5 to 5, are we increasing or are we decreasing? Of course, if we are going up, we are positive and we are increasing, and every other number moving up is more than the number below, right? So in this case, the forecast came 42 and the number above is 37. So what are the results? 37 is more than 42. So the natural gas news came up more than expected, means that 42 was the forecast, 37 is the result. So the forecast was 42 and the actual number released as 37. So forecast is more than expected. So if you see here, the forecast is more than expected. And what if the forecast is more than expected? So very easy. The increase in natural gas, if it's more than expected, it implies weaker demand and bearish for natural gas prices. Very easy and simple. So if the numbers increases, if it's more than expected, it implies weaker demand and bearish for natural gas. So very easy to read number. Now let's do the opposite. Right here. Let's do this one here. So the forecast was 26 and the actual report released as minus 36. So let's go on the charts. Forecast was 26, which was minus 26, right? So let's do it 26 and actual number came as 36, right? Let me double check. So forecast was 26 and actual number came 36. So when we are going from 5 to minus 5, are we increasing or are we decreasing? Very easy, as we learned in the start of the video. If we are going down, every other number decreases from the number above. So if we are going down, we are decreasing, right? So the forecast was 26 and the report released 36, right? So the number increases here or decreases here? Of course, the number decreases here because we are going down, right? If the forecast was 46, then it's again decreases, 55 decreases, 56 decreases. If we are above, then we increase in number. So very simple, forecast was 26, released 36 means the report came less than expected, right? Less than the forecast. Forecast was 26 and report came 36 means the number came less than forecast. And what if the forecast is less than expected? Right here. The increase in natural gas less than expected implies greater demand and bullish for natural gas, and as you can see, it came up green, means it's bullish. So you see how easy it is. So in the end, just want to give you this little formula, a cheat sheet for you. This is something you can take a screenshot, and if the numbers are going up, you are more than expected. If the numbers are going down, then you are less than expected, whatever the numbers are. So very easy cheat sheet. Take the screenshot so next time when the report is released, you know that you have this in front of you. Do a little math like I did so that next time you have no confusion left how to read these news.
So you see how easily we solved this problem. I hope after watching this video, you guys can now able to read these reports like a pro, and I'm sure there is no confusions left. If still there is, you can always email me at support@moneymarkets.net, but I'm really confident using the simple formula, you guys can easily read the news. Next time it's releasing, and it's releasing tomorrow. Next time when you see the report, you'll know that Omar have taught me this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.